Motorcycle Safety Awareness Month. David Greene from our friends at Greene Phillips joins us to talk about how you can protect yourself while on your motorcycle. David, it's good to see you.
Good to see you. Good morning.
Good morning. We're in those warmer months where people want to get out on the bike. If someone is a motorcycle driver, how can they be safer on the roads?
Well, keep a lookout. Number one, watch your speed. Don't try to speed up and take off and be in front of all the other cars. But more importantly, make sure that you wear all the safety equipment, the boots, the pants, the helmet, of course. We know that Florida does not require a helmet, but you should wear a helmet. The jackets, if you fall off and you have all the safety equipment on, you have a much better chance of not being severely injured if you're protected. But it's important to make sure you wear all the safety equipment if you can.
Right, you mentioned this just a second ago, but what should our motorcyclists be cautious of while they're on the roads?
Well, keep a lookout for other drivers. I'm involved in a number of cases that we've actually tried and gotten jury verdicts on. We're actually working cases currently right now where other vehicles have struck the motorcycle. This happens so often. Many times they just don't see the motorcycle. So if there's you're always supposed to keep your light on, right? Motorcycles always have the light on. When you crank them up and turn them on, the light comes on. Make sure your lights are working. Make sure people can see you, because if they can't see you and a big truck comes over, it can be really, really bad.
Yeah, well, as we know, weather is different every day here on the Gulf Coast. What have you seen? How has weather affected our drivers here?
Well, a lot of times a motorcyclist, that may be the only mode of transportation. If they've got to get to work, they've got to drive in the rain. And so you really need to time your trip. If you have to be at work at a certain time, try to plan it where you leave a little earlier. Maybe you can beat the rainstorm. But the water on the roadway with a motorcycle can really be a recipe for a really bad situation. So watching when you travel, how you travel, watching the weather, very important.
If someone is in an accident while operating a motorcycle, how can you guys help?
Well, we can take care of putting the case together. Our firm has done this for almost 28 years. We can put the case together for you, reach a settlement, or try the case against the other driver or the other driver's insurance company, or if indeed it's a company that hits you, we've done that type of case as well. You need to talk to a lawyer like the lawyers at Greene Phillips. It's very easy to get to us. Glad to talk to them.
All right, David, well, if someone wants to go ahead and give you guys a call or stop by today, how can they do it?
It's very simple. You can come by 51 North Florida Street here in Midtown Mobile, or call us at 251-300-2000.
David, thank you.
Thanks.